Almost 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with lung cancer. I had had like bronchitis or a cough, a cold, quite through most of the winter. I went from one prescription or antibiotic to another. So finally, it got to the point where it was really hurting. And I insisted that they do something. And they said, well, maybe it's time to do a CT. Sure enough, it was cancer. I felt more secure in the quality of care I was going to get. And they were able to get the whole tumor. It was a 9.5 centimeter tumor. I went from a doctor that said I might make it through the surgery to working full time and enjoying life again.
By the time we found the cancer in my lung, it had already spread to my ribs and my spine. And they came back and said, you have a tumor in your lung, in your right lung, that we're sure is cancer. The disease had spread to my brain and my skull and all points everywhere, I think. And it just was like a ton of bricks. They told me less than 48 hours when I was in the hospital, we've already presented this at tumor board. All of the different departments work together. They're all on the same page. I think that's spectacular. When I was eligible for the targeted treatment, that changed everything. I'd never heard of targeted therapy. It finds the cancer cells and says to them, stop dividing. That's why they call it targeted therapy. So I take one pill a day, and I've done that for over a year now, and it's working. And I have been able to go on and live my life, and I just take one pill a day. The medical center is part of an elite group of cancer centers across the nation. They've got access to different protocols and different therapies. The medical center is the place to go if you have cancer. I know that I'm getting the best of the best when I'm there.
I was diagnosed with colon cancer. The colon cancer is stage 3, stage 4 with the liver cancer. The people in the Nebraska Medical Center are fantastic. That's where we went. I'm glad we did. The people work together. They're warm. They listen to your needs and what you're going through. And they try to work with you 150%. It's worth the drive. I'm 100 miles away and shoot, if I was 500 miles away, I'd consider driving. It's just how great they are. I'm happy being at the Nebraska Med Center.
I had cancer that had been in the colon and had spread to the liver. I thought the doctor had given up on me and I needed another option. So I called the Nebraska Medical Center. Had lab work, had a CAT scan, and then saw the doctor that day and she already had the results. I feel that the Nebraska Medical Center is doing everything they possibly can. I'm still up and running around and people don't realize that there's even anything going on unless they know. I feel you can trust the Nebraska Medical Center. I'm grateful for what they've done. They've kept me alive.